This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You will first confirm Kinemaster is installed and has mic and storage permission. Then choose whether to generate speech inside a TTS app or record directly. Open your chosen TTS tool, select voice, language, and speed. Export as MP3 or WAV. Once done, create or open a Kinemaster project and import the video or image track where speech belongs. Make sure timeline position is set before you bring in audio. Now import the TTS audio file into Kinemaster's media panel and drag it to the audio track under your visuals. Split or trim the clip to match scene cuts. Use the timeline zoom to align syllables with on-screen actions. Adjust volume envelopes for natural rise and fall, and enable ducking if music overlaps. You can also add small fades at clip edges to avoid pops. If timings shift, nudge clips by frames for precise lip or motion sync. Finish by applying light EQ or compression to make the voice sit in the mix. Then export a short test at your final resolution and bitrate to confirm levels. Once done, review the full video for pacing and clarity. If audio sounds robotic, tweak pitch or speed or pick a different voice. If sync is off, cut a small silent gap or nudge the audio track. And if export fails, clear cache and retry export at lower bitrate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.